Meet Hurricane Oscar, a storm that didn't just threaten coastal towns but left a trail of questions and concerns in its wake. How did this storm develop? Why did it become so powerful so quickly? And most of all, could we be looking at a future where hurricanes like Oscar become more common? Who was in the path of Hurricane Oscar? The storm targeted communities along the southeastern coast, places where families have built lives close to the sea, where towns breathe in rhythm with the ocean. For these people, hurricanes are not new, but Oscar was different. The warnings came in, but as the storm grew stronger, the usual preparations no longer seemed enough. As the hours passed, tension in these communities only grew. Would this be another storm to endure? Or was something bigger on the horizon? The storm's transformation was already raising questions, a shift that takes us to the next mystery. What exactly was Hurricane Oscar? Not just a regular storm, Oscar grew into a powerful Category 3 hurricane, with winds over 120 miles per hour. But the speed of this transformation was what shocked meteorologists. In just 24 hours, it intensified, going from a mild disturbance to a hurricane capable of large-scale devastation. How could a storm grow so quickly, catching even experts by surprise? And if hurricanes are now forming this rapidly, could Oscar be a preview of what's coming next? When did Hurricane Oscar strike? It formed in October during the peak of hurricane season, a time when ocean temperatures are warm, giving storms the fuel they need. As Oscar approached land, each passing hour marked a new level of power, fueled by those late autumn waters. In just a few days, Oscar went from a distant storm to an immediate threat. For many, there was little time to prepare. So, was the timing just unfortunate, or could there be deeper signs we're missing about how storms evolve? With this intense build-up, Oscar made landfall with incredible force, impacting specific regions in ways that weren't fully anticipated. Where did Oscar's impact hit hardest? As it barreled through coastal areas, towns were submerged under high water levels and powerful waves, while inland regions saw rivers and reservoirs overflow. The storm didn't just affect the coast, it reached deep into communities that never thought they'd be in a hurricane's path. Oscar was relentless, pushing its way inland, showing us that hurricanes don't just stop at shorelines. And if a storm like Oscar can reach so far, could future hurricanes impact even more people, even those miles from the coast? Which brings us to the next question, the science behind how such a storm came to be. How did Oscar become this fierce so quickly? Hurricanes are born from specific conditions: warm water, moist air, and just the right wind patterns. But with Oscar, these factors aligned perfectly. Unusually warm waters and low wind shear gave the storm a boost, letting it grow stronger and stronger. It's a process that we think we understand, yet storms like Oscar continue to surprise us. Could climate shifts be setting us up for more intense hurricanes in the future? Or is there more to the story of Oscar's creation? Hurricane Oscar was a wake-up call, a powerful reminder of how quickly things can change. It showed us that in the face of nature's strength, we need to stay vigilant, prepared, and adaptable. As we look to the future, one question remains: will we be ready for the next storm, or will we once again be caught off guard? That's a question only time and our preparedness can answer. For more on powerful storms and crucial insights, subscribe and stay one step ahead.